Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the vintage Coach pocket purse, style number 9755, and this bag was made in the US in 1998 and it's in the color British tan. And it also comes with this little booklet here. So it was really nicely preserved over the years. In my estimation, it looks like it was probably never used, so it's in really nice condition. As you can see, it does have a strap, so we can detach the strap here along the sides like so. So you could actually wear it as a shoulder bag with the strap, and the strap is adjustable, as you can see. Or you could just carry it as a clutch. So it's a nice versatile bag, and it does have the matching two-sided hang tag. So I'll show you a little more of the exterior now. So here's the front again, and here's how you would open the bag. It's got a turn lock closure. Here's what the sides look like, and again, this is where you would attach the shoulder strap like this. Pretty easy. And then here's the back of the bag, and it does have a nice little slip pocket along the back of the bag. And then I'll open it and show you the inside pockets. So here's the interior. It has this front pocket here that just sits under this front flap. And then here is the main body of the interior, and that also has a back slip pocket. And then here's the Coach Creed as well. So you can see that the bag is authentic. And here's a close-up photo so you can see a little bit better than it'll pick up on camera. So it's also, like I mentioned, got this back slip pocket, so it's got 3 total pockets: 1, 2, and 3. So that is the beautiful pocket purse, style number 9755, and this bag is available now in our online store. So if you are interested in looking at it, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.